MGF Endsafe panels are designed to be installed quickly and easily using an excavate and lower technique. They are designed to support the open ends of trenches created using MGF box systems. The panels are available in various sizes to suit the range of MGF products. The system is generally suitable for trench depths of up to 4.8 metres and widths of up to 4 metres. MGF Endsafe range now includes utility Endsafe panels which feature a 1.2 metre square hatch for service entry. Up to 2 panels can be connected together. Utility Endsafe panels can connect to an existing Endsafe panel for additional depth. The hatch must always be on the bottom panel face. The panels are very heavy and great care must be taken in selecting a suitable excavator for handling, installing and extracting. If panels are to be joined together, then this might affect the excavator selection. Before use, inspect all components. If 2 Endsafe panels are to be connected together, then ensure that 4 connector plates and 4 M13 bolts and nuts are provided. Prior to use, ensure that the panels will bear a minimum of 75mm onto either side of the box system when installed. It is recommended to slightly batter back the open face where the Endsafe panel is to be installed. This will make it easier to lower in place. If multiple panels are needing to achieve the required trench dimensions, then they must be connected prior to installing. The panels can be connected together in various configurations. No more than 2 panels must be connected together. If connecting together, the 2 panels must be stacked on top of each other. Prior to connecting the 2 panels together, one panel must be moved over and butted up against the other, ensuring the sides are flush with each other. The panels are connected together using connector plates, nuts and bolts. Both panels are connected by assembling the connector plates around the lifting points on the panels. To connect the panels, simply position one of the connector plates on the top face over the 2 panels. The other connection plate should be offered to the underside of the lifting point. Whilst holding the lower plate, insert one of the bolts from the underside and attach a nut on the protruding bolt end. This can be hand tightened to constrain the lower plate. The other bolt and nut assembly can now be connected. Ensure both bolts are sufficiently torqued. Repeat this process with the other connection point. Once both sets of connection plates are connected together, then the panels are ready to be installed. Ensure that the excavator has the required reach to be able to safely handle and install the assembled panels. Carefully lower the panels in position. The panels may need to be pushed into place. Do not use excessive force during the installation. Ensure that the Endsafe panels bear on the side of the box panels and not the struts. Once installed, the void behind the panel can be backfilled. Ensure the ground is suitably backfilled and stable before attaching Endsafe to the Endsafe panel. Subject to a final inspection, the excavation is now safe to enter. Once the work is complete, the Endsafe panel should be extracted by first excavating the previously filled material from behind the Endsafe panel. A 2-leg chain should now be attached to the top 2 lifting points and the panel should be carefully extracted. The connector plates can now be removed and the panel stacked securely on timber skids.